Here in this example, we need to calculate the order of energy barrier to rotation around Bn bond. As we can see in options, there are three main structure. First structure, as we can see, in second structure, the hydrogen atom is replaced with bulkier group. In third, another hydrogen is replaced with another bulkier group. So compounds is becoming bulkier and more bulkier. This is an example of steric hindrance. Steric hindrance is slowing of chemical reaction due to steric bulk. As we can see, third structure is more bulkier as compared to first one. So we can say that more steric hindrance is observed in third structure as compared to first one is less in steric hindrance. Hence, we can say that the order for energy barrier should be like this. So the correct answer is option A. Thank you. Need to find the correct chemical formula for ionic compounds. We have given three electronic configurations for different elements. Element LMN has exactly same electronic configuration for elements sodium, oxygen and aluminium. We know that to achieve the stability, outermost orbitals of all elements must be half-fill or full-fill. Here in this case, the required electrons in outermost shell for sodium metal is 1, for oxygen there are 2 electrons, and for aluminium there must be 5 electrons to fulfill and 2 electrons to half fill the outermost orbitals. The possible charges on elements are +1 for sodium metal, -2 for oxygen, +1, +2 and +3 for aluminium element. The charges on elements are +1, -2 and +3 to achieve the correct chemical formula. Here we use the crisscross method. In this method, the numerical value of each ion charges is crisscrossed to other charges to other elements to form the correct chemical formula. For example, the element L and M, we know that oxygen and sodium can form a compound Na2O, that is sodium oxide. Same for aluminium and oxygen, we know that Al2O3 is compound which has correct chemical formula. From this we can say that the correct answer is answer option D. Thank you. Hello student, in this example we are going to find the match for column 1 and column 2. The column 1 contain atomic orbitals which are going to overlap. In column 2 there are bond type which they form after overlapping. The main condition here is the x-axis is internuclear axis. We know that 2py and 2py atomic orbitals are perpendicular to x-axis. So here they are parallel to each other. When parallel 2py and 2py orbitals are overlap, they are going to form pi bond. We can see in options B and C are correct matching is shown. So now we are going to check for delta bond. Delta bond is a bond type which form by only d orbital, because d orbital contains 4 lobes. The intermolecular delta bond is formed between dyz and dyz orbital. So here option B is the correct option. Thank you.